Today we're going to play Old Pig Donald in My First Piano Adventures, Book A. Come with me to the piano and I'll show you how we'll put our fingers. We'll put our right hand on a group of 3 and our left hand on a group of 2. And when we play the first 3 notes, we want to make them really steady. 2, 2, 2. You try it. Nice. Now I will switch hands and go to the left hand like this. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Rewind or pause the video and you try it. When you're ready, I'm going to play the whole line. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. Now you might notice that at the end of that line there is a repeat sign. That means do it again. Let's play it again. Ready? Here we go. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. I hope you get really good at playing that first line of music. We'll play it again, and this time we'll sing the words. We'll sing the top line the first time we play, and we'll sing the bottom line the second time we play. Then we're going to go on to the second page. Are you ready? We're going to get our hands ready on the piano. Right hand on group of 3, left hand on group of 2. Let's sing the words. Ready? Here we go. Old Pig Donald had a song, E-I-E-I-O, played his keyboard all day long, E-I-E-I-O. Next page. Blackie here, Blackie there, here a Blackie, there a Blackie. Old Pig Donald had a song, E-I-E-I-O. Did you find the place where we went back to the first page? That happens in music a lot. Rewind and watch this video and play along and let me know what you think about Old Pig Donald.